In this video, you will see how easy it is for anybody, even with no AI experience, to build an entire brand and website using just 2 AI tools with no prior skill. I'll also give you free access to all of the exact prompts that you should use with detailed guides to get the best possible outputs. Let's jump in. Now we're gonna start here in ChatGPT using the image generation tool to create a visual brand identity that will drive our sales page or website, our ad creative, etc. Now, I have linked down below my free learning platform. You don't even have to put an email in. It's all completely free and not gated. And inside of the learning platform, you will see that there is a course on logo, branding, and ad creatives, actual instructions, as well as detailed prompts. If you do want to go all out and get the absolute best output possible, go ahead and check it out. But if you're a complete beginner and you don't know what you're doing, you can come in here and say something as simple as this. Now, for this example, I'm using a hypothetical business, but here's what a prompt would look like at its most basic level. I have a brand new business called Marky Mark's Burgers and Ice Cream. We have no logo, no brand identity. We are a fun, family-friendly food truck that sells the best burgers and ice cream in Newport, Rhode Island. The visual identity should be fun, playful, and family-friendly. We should have a distinct logo as well as a fun, kid-friendly mascot. Now, put this at the end. Create a visual brand identity guide that has everything we will need to build our website and launch meta ads. Go ahead and run that prompt. Again, this is a prompt on the most basic level. What you're doing here is essentially just telling GPT a little bit about your business, what vibe or emotion you want to put into your customers, what your goals are, etc. This is super basic, but I think you'll be surprised at what GPT returns. Now, again, you do have that learning resource down below that will give you copy-paste prompts to do this at a whole new level to get super high-quality, professional-looking logos, branding, etc. All right, so check this out. Just off this super simple prompt, GPT has given us this entire visual brand guide. It even works in the location, Newport, Rhode Island. It has the fun, kid-friendly mascot. It has the distinct logo. It has the entire color palette. It shows what a website could actually even look like. And it even has meta ad creative and menus and etc. That's how easy this is. Now, watch what we can do to turn this into an actual website almost just as easily. The first thing I'm going to do here is ask GPT to now give me individual images of each thing. So first, just the logo, then I will get an image of just the mascot, and then what I'm actually going to have it do is mock up a visualization of what the website could be. Then we will take that to our next tool and actually build it out. It's going to be way easier than you think. All right, so check this out. We've got our logo, we've got our mascot, and then I said, now generate me a highly visual website design that I can give to Claude Code for it to replicate. And now we have this visualization of our website. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna save all of these images. Now, this next part is very important because depending on where your website or your sales page lives will determine how you do this next section with Claude Code that will actually build out the site. If your page lives inside of Go High Level, you're going to want to upload those images to GHL and grab the links for them respectively. You can do this by just putting them inside of your media folder, clicking the 3 dots and clicking Get Link. And then during the process of telling Claude Code to build the website, we're going to provide it these links and let it know what each link is for. Now, if your website lives somewhere else, you'll want to know exactly how they handle it. Do they use internal links, or does Claude Code just need to grab the files from your desktop? If so, you'll create a folder and then you'll give Claude Code access to that folder. Just name the images, what they are, logo, mascot, website mockup, and let it pull those individually, and it will do so. Since we're building this inside of Go High Level, what I've done is attached the visual representation of the website, as well as our complete brand guide, and I've given Claude Code a very simple task. I've said, I need you to create a website homepage. Give me HTML that I can copy and paste back into Go High Level where this will be hosted. Take into account any of Go High Level's restrictions, for example, padding on the left and right sides. And this is where it's important to actually know the restrictions and where you're going to be putting this, because different tools work differently and play differently with code. And make sure to override those. I've attached an image of a rough idea of what I would like the website to look like. please use this logo file, and then I've pasted that in from Go High Level, and this mascot file, and I've pasted that in from Go High Level. I've also attached our brand guide for our brand colors, fonts, etc. That's the brand guide we used with GPT earlier. I recommend using the model Opus 4.8, and you can do this on either high or medium, should be fine for something like this, and go ahead and run that prompt. So Claude will now return all of this code, and I know it probably looks super confusing. It's not. If you're on Go High Level like me, you're just going to open a new funnel, and you're going to go to your elements and just search for code and just drag in this code element right here. And when you click on it, you will see Open Code Editor, and there's a place to paste code. So once Claude Code is done, you're just going to copy the code, paste it in here, and you will have your website. Now, like I've said a few times, if you're on a different CMS or a different tool that you'll be using for your website or your sales page, just go ahead and see if they have a code element or how they handle custom code, and you'll do the same thing. You'll go ahead and you'll grab that code and you'll paste it in the appropriate place, and your website should be live. Claude Code can help work through this depending on what platform you're on. Okay, so here's the initial site that Claude Code gave us. Now, is it a 10 out of 10? No. Does it need some work? Absolutely. Any website, even if you buy it from a $10,000 designer, is going to need revisions. But it's probably better than what you could have built on your own, and it only cost you a Claude subscription, and it took about 10 minutes to get your entire brand and first draft of your website done. So what you would do now is you would take screenshots of anything you wanted fixed. For example, I don't like that there's a white background behind my icon or my mascot and my logo. Additionally, I still have these white bars that Go High Level is focusing. So I would take a picture or a screenshot, and I would give it back to Claude Code, and I would simply tell it what revisions I want made. Hey, remove the white bars, remove the backgrounds from these logos and these mascots. Hey, let's change the color here, or let's add this link to this button. So you're just gonna go back and forth a couple times until it looks exactly how you want, and then you have your entire brand, your logo, your mascot, your colors, and your website all created and live easily in less than an hour. It's never been this easy. If you want to stay on top of how to stay on the cutting edge of AI and AI tools for business, make sure to subscribe here to the channel. I will link the free resource library down below. There's stuff in there on building websites and sales pages, on creating ad creatives, writing ad copy, brand design, all with AI tools. It's going to have copy and paste prompts so you can get the best results as fast as possible. Remember, what we did here was with the most basic prompts. So if you actually use those resources, it'll take it to a whole other level. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions, drop them down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Peace.